In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the domain name in Gumroad. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring it's simple and easy to follow, even if you're new to using Gumroad. Let's dive right in. First, what we need to do is head over to the Gumroad website. Simply open your web browser and type in gumroad.com in the address bar. This will take you to their homepage where you can access all the necessary features and settings. Once you're on the Gumroad homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, which is usually located towards the upper right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be directed to the login page. This is where you'll enter your credentials. Now, if you prefer logging in through a linked Google account, there's an option for that as well. On the login page, you'll find a button labeled Login with Google. Click on it and you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use to access Gumroad. Choose your account and just like that, you're in. Once you're logged in and on your Gumroad dashboard, your next destination is the settings section. Navigate over to the side panel on the dashboard where you'll see various options listed. Look for settings and give it a click. This is where we can start customizing your account details and configurations. Within the settings menu, you'll find another section labeled Advanced. Click on Advanced to get to the place where you can modify detailed account settings, including giving your Gumroad store a personalized touch. Now you're all set to change the domain name associated with your Gumroad store. Once in the advanced settings, scroll down until you see a field labeled Domain. This is where the magic happens. Input your custom domain in this field. Make sure you own the domain or have permission to use it. Double check to ensure the domain name is entered correctly. Adjusting your domain name is a crucial step, especially if you're branding your store or making it a more recognizable part of your brand identity. Don't forget to save these changes once you've typed in your new domain. Usually there's a save or update button right at the bottom of the settings, which you'd need to click to confirm these changes. And there you have it, folks. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed the domain name on your Gumroad account. This small tweak can make a significant difference in how your store is perceived by visitors. It's a straightforward process, but a meaningful customization that can really help in branding your digital storefront. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling.